Hi! Welcome to another Cara & Co tutorial. It doesn't seem to matter what age you are, everyone loves these stacking Heishi bracelets. We've seen them on kids to tweens to adults. Make your own Heishi bracelets and customize design in colors you like best. Plus, crafting with our Cara & Co Heishi strands makes it easier and faster than ever. All of the written instructions can be found on our website, as well as all the supplies needed. Let's get crafting! To make your own Heishi bracelets, you will need one strand of Heishi beads, or multiple if you want to mix colors. One strand makes 2 bracelets. You'll need accent beads if you'd like, 15 inches of 0.8mm elastic cording, a beading needle, scissors, a beadboard tray, bracelet/straight form. This is helpful but not absolutely necessary. Let's get started. Cut about 15 inches of elastic cording. On one end of the cording, tie a loose single knot. This will help keep the beads on the board. Using your beading needle, thread on your beads in your preferred order. If you've purchased a DIY kit, make sure you refer to the picture on the website for the bead order. Tie a tight double knot, pulling on all 4 strands around the knot to ensure the knot is properly tightened. Carefully trim the ends about 1/4 inch away from the knot. If you wish to hide the knot, pull the knot inside the Heishi beads. Don't just stop at one bracelet. Our DIY kits include enough supplies for you to make up to 6 stacking bracelets. It's easy, fashionable, and a super fun craft. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. Hit that subscribe button as well to see more videos like this from Cara & Co. Head to our YouTube page to find more tutorials, ideas, and how-to videos to keep you inspired. Happy crafting!